This is New Haven Public Schools Board of Education.
Shame on you for lying on this woman.
Have you experienced a public comment period that turned into a public venting session?
This morning, all of us in Newtown woke up to this worst nightmare.
Would you know what to do on social media if a crisis erupted in your district? Learn how to handle these difficult situations at NYSSBA's 10th Annual Pre-Convention Communications Workshop, Communicating Under Pressure.
There's a shooter in the school, shots have been fired, we don't know any other details. Where do we start?
Immerse yourself in a tabletop crisis drill and discuss how your school and you should react on social media during a crisis.
I need you to process the paperwork for a recall on this whole entire school board.
Learn communication strategies for maintaining decorum when your public comment period turns into a forum for criticism, anger, or personal attacks. Plus, you'll learn how to lead and communicate when the unthinkable happens from the superintendent of the Newtown, Connecticut School District at the time of the Sandy Hook shooting. So don't miss your chance to get practical, hands-on tools that you can actually put to use when the need arises. Register today at convention.nyssba.org.